Hello everyone, my name is Free. My name Crud. I can't I can't do my intro correctly. Gosh darn it. Hello everyone, my name is Free Gamer. Welcome back to Rain World, yada yada yada. We're doing Sathiel or In. Anyways. So we are at Subterranean. We need to get its echo here, which is up here, and the only way we can get back up is if we either get a Squid Kata, which I don't think, which they do not spawn. I also disabled drop wigs, but I'm still dealing with every other slug cat. The main problem, the Nemesis, as he is a much bigger threat than any of the other creatures combined. So I'm gonna hold this out. I don't think he's in this room. I think he's still scared of the rain, that's what's going on right now. Oh, he's scared. Yeah, he's running. Wow, I came in at the perfect timing. Even though I have a singularity, and yes, I did turn on Roton World. Hello?
Game over. Game
That actually scared me, by the way. That actually scared me, that centipede. Dude. I'm just gonna... Do not centipede. I would like the body back. That would be greatly appreciated.
Good night. Game.
Bruh! I'm not counting that. let me go? Can you let me go, Centipede? How did I kick it up there? Oh, if I die, it resets my points. Where am I? I still can't see a thing because Neuron Fly glow. So you know what I'm gonna say? Can I grab Neuron Fly? Hold on, I need to get to a better position. What did I say? Can I not grab Neuron Flies? Bruh. Oh, never mind, I can. Oh, this one's a big one as well. I think just dragging the body along might be a good idea as well. If I had to give some lore about how there are so many of them, they all escaped from Iterator's location. I'm gonna leave the body behind. What? I'm gonna try something. I wonder if the Nemesis is still dead, will other creatures still fear it? It's like stuck. Still scared? Absolutely not. Okay, I'm just gonna run by this. Ooh, that was close. Oh, bruh! I just killed one of you! Stand still. And wait for it to go away. Its antennas are going crazy. There's a second one, isn't there? Yeah, there's a second one. There's two in this room. I'm not moving. Okay, spider. grab me? Well, it's trying. I'm just gonna let it drag. Yeah, just drag me through. Just drag me through. Yeah, I saw the second one. What is it doing? Whoa! Drag me through. Drag me through. Are they fighting? There's a third one! Dude, it noticed it. It noticed it.
Good night, gamer.
Oh, he even killed me! I'm in the way. Oh my goodness, how many reds are there? How many Nemesis lizards are there? Oh my god. Oh my goodness, it's still... How many Nemesis lizards are there? I just restarted by accident. I wanted to... I'm an idiot. This lizard count. I'm an idiot for restarting. Nemesis lizards are there? I think I like saw like 4 Nemesis lizards. I think I'll only deal with it if it actually notices me.
Good night, gamer.
Oh, that was not nice. That was really fast. Dummy. No. Oh, it actually camouflages itself from creatures. Centipede, I swear to goodness. I'm taking you down with me.
Rest in peace, gamer.
Oh, I killed a centipede. Do I still have storage? Yep. Yes, I am waiting for this cycle to I knew it grabbed me. I am going to just wait out the shelter failure, because I am not good with darkness. I can't take it seriously with me, like, trying to listen in for the nemesis. And just, I hear rotund sounds. Like, that was a very unfortunate run. I don't even think I'm close to the room yet. Wait, a Miro's bird? That they don't even, I don't even think they spawn here. I also turned back on Dress My Slug Cat. Why are Miro's birds here? What did I even bounce on? Wait, these are all Miro's birds. Oh, that's what killed it! Oh, that's what killed it! That's what killed it! That's what killed it! I just spat all over my mouth. My microphone. Oh!
Rest in peace, gamer.
Well, I found what killed them. And I found what killed them. I found what killed them. I found what killed them all. And I found what killed them. What is Probably just gonna DevTools up to it. Probably. I found what killed it though. I wonder if flashbangs even work on the thing. It's worth a shot though. I heard that snip, there's another one in the distance. I had to go down. I'm gonna hide here for a few seconds. Ow! Ow! Please tell me that worked.
Rest in
No, it
peace,
didn't.
gamer.
It didn't work. It didn't work. It didn't work. I think as well, they nudged me down here. I'm gonna move my body a little. In case if it notices success in last respawn. Bro, I literally just revived! Go for the Miros vulture. That was a scav! That was a scavenger, I heard it. Do I have no rep with them? I don't think I do. Bro, let me through! Good luck trying to drag me through. I want to check how many are surrounding me. Oh, they're fighting for me. Caramel, save me, Caramel. Does that count as a save? How did you get down here? I'm dead. Okay, I'm gonna let that slide. There's a roof clear above you. Oh my goodness!
Game over, gamer.
Yeah, I'm gonna accept this. Bloody Miros birds are everywhere. There. Oh my goodness, I can't even get a proper... I can't even go anywhere. I'm gonna passage if I die again. Out of here to find a different way. I threw the wrong item. Oh, bye! gonna... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, they are very present in Subterranean, the Nemesis. Yeah, I did say they, because, well, there's multiples of them. Oh! Yeah, I'm cheating through. Oh! What? Oh! How many Nemesis lizards was that? There was like 3 in just one room. Like, I had 3 blocking my path as monk, but okay. I don't even know if I gained a passage because I heard it. I think I made like a tiny amount of progress towards Glutton. But holy crud. Oh my. Please tell me it pulled them in. It pulled them in! Oh! Okay, that knockback is immense. I think I killed like... what was that voice crack that I had? I think I killed like 2 of them with 1 singularity. Oh yeah, I even killed a red. Is this alive? Help! I even killed 2 reds. Red centipedes. Can you let me go? Like, nudge the wave over. And a massive red centipede. Holy moly. I'm pretty sure they were either... I'm pretty sure the centipedes were actually running from the Nemesis and then got killed by it. And one of them got killed by the explosion. Where am I at? Am I in Gourmand's version of this somehow? No, I'm not. I'm probably right here. I am getting stuck on this. Get these bodies out of the way. Oh my gosh. God. 2 reds. It's a massive red. I think I killed everything in this room. Boom. Might as well go up. Oh, okay. Where am I at exactly? Oh, I went the totally wrong direction. Huh. Please tell me he didn't see me. Ooh. I hit something. Are they fighting? What? Oh, I got them! I actually got them! Oh my goodness. I actually got both of them. I also can't go to Outer Expanse. And it's because Inv only has one ending, and that is Ascension. Like, I thought Outskirts was bad with all the reds, but my goodness. Barely jump, so I'm just gonna stop with the Miro Spurs. Up with the Miro Spurs. So I went the wrong way. Crud. least want to get the echo. There's a shelter up here, so I'm just gonna... Because I at least want to save. Save in a good spot. Hot, so I can get out of here. And plus, I can return directly right here. Also, this should give me a lot more progress to the Glutton achievement. I killed 3! Oh wait, I do have the Glutton. I guess I somehow nailed it first try, without even realizing. Alright. Hello, yes. Okay, that's another piece of karma. Get me out of here. I don't care where this brings me. If it brings me to Sky Islands, that would be great. Ah, great. Isn't Farmarays overrun by wormgrass? Oh. Hello. Are you stuck or something? Can I get my... Hold on, can I would like to have my singularities on hand. That would be greatly appreciated. I'm just gonna let it run around. I'm probably not gonna worry about it too much. And there's immediately a red centipede. Oh my gosh, there's 2 of them. Oh, there goes that slug pup. I just saw it get eaten. Oh, we're dead.
Gamer.
I was dead by the explosion anyways. Where did my body land? Oh, it got eaten by worm grass. I want to sacrifice it to the nemesis, to the red centipedes. What is this? You know what? No, I'm not dealing with this. This. What are those reindeer doing?
Game over.
That
Gamer.
killed me, by the way.
Game over. Gamer.
What happened? Game broke. Bloody slug pups break the game when I get dressed my slug cat.